Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kartick at the Retail. So friends, today I want to show in this video that you can earn $20 to $30 per sign up when you refers to a friend. When the friends you sign up and just sign up or register on this site, you can make $20 to $30. I will give you the five best website that you can earn with reference to your friends. So friends, I show you the first website is known as Constant Contact. It is an email marketing website. You can see is the refers your audience or drive leads and sale. You can see here on $5 each referral that sign up. When you sign up in this Constant Contact, you can earn $5 from this site without doing nothing. Just sign up. When you refers to your friend this website, when your friend sign up in this site, you can make $5 without doing nothing. Where you just need to reference your reference link. When you sign up in this site and they give an reference link, and you just need to copy this link and refers to your friend. When your friend sign up in this site, and you can earn $5. Your friend signed up but you earn $5 without doing nothing. I give you the another website that you can earn $0.2 just free registration when you register Grammarly. This website is known as the Grammarly.com, and big this is an on big promoting Grammarly. You can see here free registration is $0.2. When you sign up in this Grammarly website, you can earn $0.2. When you click to become an affiliate, you can get a link, and you can copy this link and refers to your friend. When your friend sign up, you can earn $0.2. I can see you the details in this video. When you refers to your friend, and I think when you 100 friends you refers, and you can make 0.2, you can make $100 when you refers to your 100 friend without doing nothing. You can get paid from this website. When this sign up in this website, you can connect your account number and directly pay your account. When your friend sign up, you just need to sign up, and you can get the link. You just copy this link and friend share your friends, families, colleagues with Facebook, Google, Twitter, etc. And the third website and give is a Skillshare.com. Skillshare.com, one of the best catalog and creative content.com. You can see here on $7 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. You can imagine that this is the biggest commission. I can see when you sign up in this Skillshare.com, you make $7 commission without doing nothing. You just need to sign up. When you sign up, your account will be credited $7. When you refers to your friend, you can earn $7 without doing nothing. When your friend sign up, and you can make $7. I can see you, and you can refers to 50 friend. When your 50 friends sign up in this Skillshare website, and you can make $350 without doing nothing. So friends, this is one of the best website I can think. So you refers to your friend to sign up this. When you join in this Skillshare.com, you get a reference link. You just need to copy this link, and then you share your friend. I can see you that the fourth website that you can make with your reference your friends, the semrush.com. It is one of the SEO website, best SEO website that you can earn up to $0.01 just new sign up. When you register and sign up in this, your account will be credited $0.1. When you refers to 100 friends, you can make $10 with just refers your friend. When you refer sign up, I can give you the third website, that you can make money through reference. You can, this website is known as the freshbook.com. Freshbook.com, one of the best website I can see. And you can make money up to uh, um, up to $10 just free trials. You just need to sign up in this facebook.com. You just need to sign up or log in and sign up. You can make from this site $10. And when you refers to friend, you can see when you refers to 100 friends, and you can make from this site $1,000 without doing nothing. Your friends sign up in this site through your link, and you can get $1,000 from this site. Facebook, one of the best affiliating site I can see you. So friends, let's see the five best website again. I can see you this contact. From this contact you can make $5 per your friend sign up, or when you sign up you can get $5. When you refers to friend, you also you can make $500 from this site. And gamarly.com, from this site you can make $0.2. And the Skillshare, the biggest commission, $7 per new customer you refers to sign up. And the fourth one is the semras.com and make $0.01 sign up for the new customers or new mm, peoples. And when the third fifth website, one of the best web, the Facebook, and you can earn up to $10 with free trial. You just need to sign up from this site. So friends, let's see, and refers your friend to Facebook, Twitters, and Instagram and YouTube, and make money from your site. And you can try at your home. You can refers to your family members and friends, colleagues, and you can make from this site also without doing nothing. So friends, thank you today in this video. If you want to more on, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you friend for watching this video.